Starting October 1, your law firm could get charged for calls you never even answer. Not leads, missed calls. If the phone rings out, you could still pay for it. Google is quietly changing how local services ads work, and almost nobody is ready for it. So here's exactly what is changing and what you need to do before it shows up on your invoice. Until now, a missed call was a missed opportunity, but at least it was free. After October 1, if that call comes in during business hours and the caller stays on the line for more than 20 seconds, Google can charge you for it as a valid lead. Even if no one ever picked up, think about what that means for a second. You can now pay for the phone ringing out. And there is more. If a first call does not qualify as a charged lead, follow-up calls between your firm and that same caller can be charged too. Google is also adding new protections against spam and robocalls, which is a good thing because a lot more of your calls are now billable. Now, here is the part almost nobody is talking about, and it is the one I really want you to hear. Your phone tree. Google built in one important exception. If your phone system makes callers press a key to reach the right department, that 20-second timer does not start until they press the key. And if they never press a key, you are not charged. That quietly turns your phone menu into a money decision. Think about it. A long, clunky phone tree delays that key press, but it also frustrates real callers and makes them hang up before they ever reach a human. A short, clean menu gets people to a person faster, and getting them to a person fast is what actually signs the case. Every single second inside that menu now affects when the billing clock starts, how many callers you lose, and how cleanly that call ties back to the ad that produced it. So what should you actually do before October 1? A few things. First, answer your calls fast. During business hours, someone or something should be picking up before that 20-second mark every single time. Second, cover your after hours and your overflow. A missed call at 9 at night used to be free. That math is changing, and the firms with round-the-clock coverage are going to feel this the least. This is exactly where AI voice agents and automated intake earn their keep. Third, audit your phone tree. Time it. Count the steps. And ask yourself an honest question. Was this menu built for your convenience or for your callers? Fourth, watch your leads and dispute the junk. More calls are billable now, so review your leads on a schedule and dispute anything that is spam or invalid. And finally, make sure every answered call actually lands in your intake system and gets tracked all the way to a signed client. Because answering the call is only step one. Catching it, following up, and turning it into a case is where the money is really made. Here's the bottom line. For years, the cost of a missed call was invisible. On October 1, Google is putting a price tag on it. The firms that were already built to answer are barely going to notice. The ones that were not are about to feel it on the invoice. If you want the full breakdown, I just published it in this week's issue of Off the Record, and I will leave you the link. And if you want help making sure your firm is ready before October 1, that is exactly what we do at Duo Digital. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.